we have completed this piece of persuasive writing on the community has changed with time, and this is our title. Now, the first paragraph begins with the opinion. I believe that the community has changed with time. This is the opinion. And then we explain this a bit more in a couple more sentences by saying the way people do things now is different to what they did in the past, and how people dress today is quite different to the past. So, this is our point of view and an explanation of the point of view. The next comes is a first argument, always beginning with firstly and then adding up the opinion which says, I strongly believe that the community has changed with time because transport is a lot easier than what it was in the past. So this red colored bit is our reason and always begins with a because. So next what we do is we explain this red bit a bit more to support our argument. So we always begin with a bit of a title. So with change in the community, the cars have changed as well. The old cars didn't have a steering wheel, while today's cars have a steering wheel. So this completes our first argument. Then we move on to the next one, which is the secondly. We start with the secondly, and this may be a little less strong, maybe a bit weaker one. So we say, secondly, I believe the community has changed with time because the schools have changed. And again, we explain the red bit, but beginning with a little bit of the title, which says, with change in the community, the classrooms have changed. The students' desks have become much lighter and easier to move. And finally, which is our last argument, we again move on to the strong stance. We say, I strongly believe that the community has changed with time because the sports have become much safer than before. Now, the red bit is again our argument, and we explain it a bit further, but always begin with the title by saying, with change in the community, the shoes have a better grip than before, and there are more guards, mouth guards to protect the teeth. And after this is followed by the conclusion, in which we only need to say, in conclusion, I strongly believe that the community has changed with time. Now, after we saying in conclusion, we only repeat our opinion and we do not add any more reasons to this.